What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. I've got a great video for you today. Very, very positive because all the fear, all the doubt, all the selling from this week, from last weekend through Monday, through the Japanese market collapse, market crash, whatever you want to call it, has all just been a wick. It's just been a weekly wick. Everything is coming back for the most part, and I've got some price analysis and some things going on that I want to discuss with you all today. So if you want to, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on X at Fleetwood Trades. Guys, this is really big news. There's going to be some Pikamoon information in here too, because today or tomorrow we will have the documentary going live, and tomorrow or this week at some point the mini game should go live with a play to earn aspect in the mini games. You have Pika Ball, Pika Chess, Pika Dash, and Pika Hop. So, and I think there's another one. There's a fifth one, right? A free roam Pikamoon game with Pika Explorer. So there's going to be 5 games coming very, very soon. They should be launched this week. And again, the documentary will launch tomorrow, which should actually pick up some good catalysts for some better price action. But the first thing I want to do when it comes to price action is we're going to hop into the Bitcoin chart, because I mentioned this early this week. I think at the time it was hard for people to see it because of how weak the price action was. But in 2020, when the last time the VIX shot up, the last time there was that much volatility in the market, and there was a NASDAQ crash and the S&P crash and everything happened, that was the bottom. That was the absolute bottom for Bitcoin, this wick low in March of 2020, and we know what happened at that point. So on Monday, we had a similar scenario, the worst scenario since that day, and we've got a wick down. At this point, it's just a wick. Bitcoin is green again. Bitcoin from open to wick low dropped almost 15%, 14.5% from open to wick low, and is now in the green by Thursday. That is a hell of a weekly rebound, and it is showing massive strength in the crypto markets. I know everything is up pretty much today, so I'm cool with that. I'm cool with the NASDAQ coming back and the S&P coming back. There was a decent jobs report or jobless claims report today that helped stimulate the markets a little bit, helped calm some things down. So that is really good. And what crypto does, crypto is a barometer for the rest of the crypto market, or Bitcoin is a barometer for the rest of the crypto market, excuse me. And we're going to take a look into some coins, some tokens. We're going to take a look at Pikamoon, because Pikamoon is doing fairly well today as well. It's up about 3%. But again, I want to quell some of the questions about price action, because again, Gaiman is another token. Now, I'm not going to use any of these tokens to speak badly upon them, because I own all of these tokens. I'm invested in these. But again, from peak to trough, or hopefully this is the trough, 98% down for Gaiman. I bought here at this line. I thought that this was going to be a rollover and was going to start bringing it back up, but price action and overall market sentiment pushes down farther. So I am down a good bit on this buy, about 35% as of now. But in the long run, this 35% is not going to mean much, because I expect it to get back up well over a penny from where it's at now. Shadow token, another one I bought a little early. I bought in here around 45 cents. But another token that is down from its peak to the trough about almost 92%, 91.91%. All right, let's take a look at Dami. Dami Online is going to be a huge MMORPG game. I believe in what they're doing. I think they're going to have a great game there, but it's down 92.78%. Now we can look at Pikamoon. Let's take a look at Pikamoon. And there's one difference from Pikamoon there's one difference between Pikamoon and all the other tokens. Pikamoon's bottom was about 94%, 94.5%. But this last market correction did not chase Pikamoon to a new low. This low has sustained as the market low, and we are making a wick up. This is going to be a hammer type of candle, or it might actually go green before the end of the week, especially if there's good news. If the documentary is a hit and the games come out and they are a hit, there's a lot of potential catalysts for Pikamoon price action to go strong again. You know, we had a 46% candle here, weekly candle 2 weeks ago. We came down, I guess, we closed any potential for a fair value gap to have to retest this area. And then the market downturn, the market correction for this week, brought Pikamoon wick low to about 15% below where it is now, but I think from the open of the candle, let's go from the open to be accurate. From the open to where it bottomed out was about 19.5%. So it only dropped about 5% more than Bitcoin did. That's not bad for a low cap altcoin. It's been holding its ground these 2 weeks while everything has been falling and creating new lows. I shouldn't say everything. While many tokens, especially many gaming tokens, have been falling and creating new lows, Pikamoon has held its own. Pikamoon has held its position here at this price range, and it is looking very, very strong. And there is news and catalysts coming out that could potentially start to push this price back into an upward trajectory, especially if the play to earn games come out live this week. It could make for a big weekend. So one of the biggest things outside of Pikamoon on this video was to stay calm, to not let emotions get the best of you. When I made my video last Friday and said I'm halting my buys, I want to make sure it is clear that that was not a sell signal. I am not selling anything at these prices. I just thought last Friday I would have a better opportunity to buy lower. So I didn't buy anything over the weekend until Monday morning, and I made the video saying this is where generational wealth is created. This is the buying opportunity that you have to make life-changing money. And if you bought Bitcoin at 50 or 49 or even 51,000, if you bought just the lower level of this, you are already up 13%. If you bought AVAX, AVAX is another token I talk about that I love a lot. If you bought it at $17, you're already up 22%. Now my last AVAX buy was $17.75, and I've been averaging down. But I will make another video about my trades and my current allocations and my current holds, and I will do all that publicly because I am going to be open and disclosing things. But I want to make this video because Pika has held up very strong. There's a lot of news coming out. There's a good potential that this may be the last time we see this price area, especially if the whole market picks up the way it looks like it's going to. If we get the whole market and Pika gets to play to earn games out, this area here, this price range may never be touched again. So with that being said, guys, that's the video. Short and sweet. Let's get it. Let's hope everything comes out, looks good, the documentary looks good, the games look good, and we rise. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, until next time, peace.